What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Nvidia Corporation with the ticker symbol NVDA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So last time I looked at Nvidia was sometime in early September. It looks like September 9th, and you see that price was right around the low level right here at the 105 level. There was a measure move target in play right over here, targeting the $81 level. Is that still in play? As of right now, it definitely does still look in play, and I'll go over the reasons why. So in the meantime, we saw one large leg down right over here, and this is the same leg right here. So you just cloned it over, and that's how I got that target. So we had one large drop. However, at the same time, we had a large impulse. Okay, market generally moves in twos, and targets are not guarantees; they're attempts. So the bulls were attempting to reach their target, and the bears are attempting to reach their target. So who's going to win out? You can see that the bulls are trying to drive up the price, the bears are trying to drive down the price. So there was a bearish trend line in play. You can see that this trend line is holding price really nicely, something like that. So it looks like price just got rejected off of it. And at the same time, bulls tried one time to reach the target, failed, second time to reach the target, and failed. Generally, after two times, you'll see it reverse. There is some sort of bullish trend line right here. We'll see if it will confirm or not at lower prices. But as right now, it looks like price is headed lower. It's headed lower towards the low 100s and possibly even breaking that level to reach the 90s and possibly even the 80s. The measurement target at 81. I don't think it'll get that low, but it is a potential target. So as right now, it looks like the bears are still dominating. I wouldn't say dominating, but they're still leading the chart. Looks like the bulls are struggling to reach their target, which means the bears can successfully or easily reach their target. So we'll see if they can get down there. There is this possible trend line in the way right over here. So we'll see if this does anything, at the 111 level. Maybe that reverses price back up. But it looks like in the meantime, price does have room to go down. So I'm expecting, price to go lower and then possibly even reach the, 80s in the future. Maybe it doesn't get that low, but it is something to keep an eye on. And that coincides with that earnings report sometime in mid-November. So if price does get there, maybe it takes maybe a month and a half, and then by the time it gets there, earnings report comes out, and then it pushes up the price. So we'll see if that happens. But as right now, I'm looking for more downside. So take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that we have a red week so far. Most likely we'll finish red. Not too bearish, but there is some room to the downside. And we'll see if price can, reach the $80 level or not, 81. There is a bullish trend line in play right over here, and maybe even another one, something like that, that's still at low prices. So either way, it's still bullish long term. Even if we do see a large drop, that's still a correction, and that can lead to higher prices either way. So overall, still long term, still looks pretty good for Nvidia. It's very difficult to pick a top. This is not looking like a top. It's looking just like a correction, and even though I expect more downside, that's in the short to medium term, and then long term, the trend should resume higher. That's all I have from Nvidia on the daily weekly charts. I'll try to give you guys update every Tuesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.